Hello and welcome. Christina Perry here. Glad to be with you today to talk a little bit more about the different aspects of our online marketing platform powered by AI. This particular section is the landing pages. We also refer to those as websites. So basically, as you can see, I've already put together some in my particular account, but I'm going to go ahead and click on under the landing page section, click on Add New, and go through this. I'm going to title this one Perry Global Marketing. Of course, this is your choice, and the page name, I'm just going to put PGM for short. Languages, you can see here, many to choose from. Of course, I'm going to choose the English language. And then this is setting up the URL for your site. I'm just going to put PGM marketing for the website. Now, if that was already taken, it would tell me that it was taken, and I would have to choose something else. I'm going to go ahead and choose in here digital marketing, but you can also choose whatever it is that you're wanting to brand, whether it's yourself or a product or the Black MP water, depending on what country you're in, and of course our AI product as well. I'm going to go ahead and choose on, for subcategory, I'm going to choose online marketing. Right here you see it would you like to activate AI on this landing page? You can do that if you click on this. We'll go ahead and move forward doing it that way. Click on next with this to activate this landing page, and you can see here that it is going to help develop this for you. So let me go ahead and make this a full screen. It's already pulled some photos for me, but I want to go in here and show you the simplicity of setting up your own landing page, or as I shared, refer to it as a website. You just click on the particular section. What I love about this is truly drag and drop. I don't necessarily want to put Jamestown, North Carolina on there because this is global. So I'm going to keep that on a global basis. But the great thing is you can come in here and with the style, you can change this up. You can, change the heading if you want to. You can change the font style. This can be changed up however you want to. You just saw the font changing, the font way. If I want to come in here and I want to make this bold, I can certainly do that as well. Come in here with the font style. Do I want it normal? Do I want it italic? I can change that as well. I can also change the colors. If I want to come in here and maybe set up a different color in here, maybe go more with, I don't know, maybe the color of what's over here, I can do that. But just make sure when you're making changes, go ahead and click OK to save that. Now let's say that I want to come in and under the actual description of the global business marketing, I can come in here and with a headline, you can come in here and obviously put in as much information as you want to. And I may put in here complete online marketing platform powered by artificial, now if I can spell it correctly, intelligence. And of course that, as we know, is AI, which you could put in parentheses. I think we all know that spelling is not my forte. Have to laugh, right? So just a little bit more of a description there, but you can put obviously whatever you want to in here. And to come in here, all of this over here to develop your landing page, you can actually come in here and drag and drop. So if I want to come in here and add an image, maybe learn more today, and down here, there's more information about you individually right here that you can go ahead and set up here. But let's just say that I wanted to add another image here, drag and drop. One of the things that I can do here is I can come in and add an image from, let's see if I want to go to digital marketing. I can add an image right here if I want to. And obviously we have one similar, but right now I'm just trying to show you the simplicity of being able to do this. Select that particular photo. And again, this is drag and drop, which is pretty simple. The other great thing too is that, and this obviously, as you see here, I'm going to take that overlay off, click OK. But if I wanted to change the image, I can also upload my own image from my particular library. If I wanted to come in here, and I know that I've got several screenshots up here, but if I wanted to come in here and put my own, just if I wanted to put the RèNao logo here, I could do that. Obviously that's obviously for a small one, but you can upload your own images right here. It's very, very simple. We're going to go ahead and save this. So we've saved this particular one. If I want to come in here and add a feature block and drop in a feature block if I want to, if I want to come in here and add, if I wanted to add an image and talk about, again, from a standpoint, if I'm under the digital marketing and I want to come in here and just talk about specifically search engine optimization, I can do that. Add that photo. And actually I can choose, you know, do I want it on the left side, to the right side? You can see over here, left side, right side, how do I want this set up with the feature block. So you can add that in there. That picture, obviously I needed to get that image back in there. Now, whether you have a heading, a subheading, you don't necessarily need a subheading. Let me go back in here and add that one to search engine, select that. Obviously you need to save everything as you're going through this process. Now you will see that come up. The text image right here, I've got heading is SEO. And if you want to share exactly what that is, you can do that as well. Engine optimization. And you can add that in there. Obviously, you can come down here and put a more detailed description of exactly what search engine optimization is. You can add more photos in there, and you can switch it from left to right. Down here, you'll also see, by the way, just look over here. All of this, again, is drag and drop. So if I wanted to add a video in here to maybe talk a little bit more detail, you really don't want anything more than, say, you know, 2 minutes. You don't want too much information. Remember the attention span of someone watching, but this, you can actually put links. It will take links of YouTube and or Vimeo. You can add those links in there when it comes to video. So down here, let's go to this next section. Again, just highlight this. This is the customer form. You can add any information here with additional fields. Let's say that I do want to add the phone to this, add to form. So now you'll see that the phone number part has popped up here. If I want to add new to say, I could maybe put in here, let's see, interested in home based business, add new. So that it doesn't have to necessarily be required though, but you can have that information in here and again, go ahead and click on, you can change the colors of these buttons, everything right here. So again, pretty simple. If I want to come in here and put in more information right here, I can come in, as you can see on the left-hand side. Let's just say that I wanted to put my Facebook information. I could come in here, and what I always tell people to do is go to your actual Facebook page and copy and paste that, just so you don't mess things up. I do know what mine is though. You've got your Facebook, and if you want to come in here and input our website, which is https://myrenaoglobal.com. Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, you can put all of that information in here. You'll see it populates over here to the right side over here. You could change this to a personal photo. If you want a personal photo here, obviously you can change any of this information. Down here at the bottom, maybe I want to put in our specific logo. See if I can get to that pretty quickly. Put that there. Put our logo right there. I'm not going to probably have my specific address on there, so I'm going to take that out. And of course, that's populated that number, but put in my number, of course. And I always suggest for people, especially when you're able to go ahead and save this information, just real quick, and I'll probably share this again. Make sure that if you've got your Facebook page, have that where it's open to the public, especially if you're going to be building a business. That's a whole nother training, but make sure you do have your settings set to public. But you're going to come here and you can save all of this, save this and it's got this information in here. And as this is saved, you're going to see it populate where you can actually preview what your site looks like. You can go in. And again, I just wanted to share with you just the simplicity of being able to quickly put together information for a landing page. So again, that's just a real quick way to show you how to set up a landing page. You can do landing pages personally, you know, where you want to promote yourself. I could share with you how I did that. Going back to my landing pages, you can see here that I did a personal website that actually, if you wanted to preview this, I did a quick little video here, but this is just, you know, it's important to brand yourself. So I would certainly do a separate landing page. You're going to build this all on your own, of course, but this is one that if people want to know my background, I can simply send that particular site to them. And again, whether you brand yourself products, you want to be able to have these landing pages. So anyway, hopefully that helps in setting up a landing page, and I will come back with more training.